Hi guys, today we're starting a little late. Welcome to day 2 of the Christmas vlog. It is currently 1:30 and since morning I have done my morning routine, take my medication and sent some emails, some very rudimentary admin stuff, but I'm actually running to Manor Park now. I completely forgot that the great Reices Confectionery, she had left a bake kit box for me at Butcher Block. So we're gonna go there. I'm taking up Uber because it rained all morning and I'm not into getting splashed on these nasty ass streets. So waiting on my Uber to come. We're gonna run up to Butcher Block, probably walk around to, going to the Payless, because that Payless up there always have like the good shoes. I don't know why. But so we're gonna check out that Payless up there and probably get something to eat. I'm not sure as yet. And then I'm gonna head home because I said I'm going to work today. So come along on the journey. While I wait on my Uber, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, of course. Why would you not bless other people with this? And sharing does help my channel to grow and that I can create more content for you guys. So yeah, go ahead and do that. I'm in Manor Park and Butcher Block is there behind me. Can you see? So I'm gonna go in. Let's see how much video in the allow and get my package. It's raining, guys. It's raining. There's a lot of people, so let's see how much I can get done and then head home. I want to sleep and I'm just in the car. See you guys in a few. Very festive, guys. Very festive. This is definitely what you want when you're outside grilling. It's the weather grill. Alright, let's go. So cool. So cool. Guys, if I have any beef, this is all coming. So they have information on the cuts of the meat. That's how you know that the meat is legit, guys. Legit. It's legit, liquid. Guys, this is beautiful. Oh. The Butcher Block is your local family-friendly butcher selling fresh cut meats, cheeses, sauces, spices, everything you see in this video. They are located in Manor Park Plaza, but are also opening a new location in Lushushan Plaza in Barbican. So they're moving a lot closer to some of us, and we can all do a little happy dance.
Yeah. I can't release it. We ran to the same one.
Hi guys, I am currently in Payless, as you can see by the rows and rows and rows of shoes. Can you even hear me? Right, so I'm in Payless. I'm not gonna take off my mask, but yeah, I'm just here to look around, get an idea of what's up here. See some things I like already. Yeah, yo. And I'll show you a few of my favorites. As you probably don't know, I am a sneaker person. Especially because I have to like take public transportation, it's just more comfortable. But yeah, really seeing some things I like, and I'll show you as well. So let's take a look. Guys, I really love those peach shoes. Can you tell why? Other than the fact that they look good. Peach, like me. But that size, no bueno. I'm a size 9 if anybody wants to get it for me. Guys, somehow I love these shoes. I don't know why. I don't know why, but you know, I like them. Again, no bueno. Size 9, 10. I'll wear it. Those red shoes. My mother has a pair she doesn't wear at all. And it can't fit me now. It really burned me. Because I could make good use of that shoes. Even if it's to just walk up and down in the house. Ooh, these are cute. These white ones, guys. Really nice. Really nice. So hi guys. I traveled to the great Manor Park and beyond, and I'm back home. I am tired and hungry. My God. So we went into Payless. We went to Butcher Block, and now I'm back home. Oh guys, let me show you the bake kit from Reices Confectionery. So this is my unboxing. Please don't mind the sirens. Oh my God. This is my unboxing of the Reices Confectionery bake kit. It's a 12 days of Christmas, so it's an advent calendar of cookies or whatever it is. We're gonna see in a minute. But yes guys, I'm so excited. So let's get into it. Alrighty, so let's open this up. Guys, I am so excited. I've always wanted to do an advent calendar. Last year I got a advent chocolate calendar from Bettina Chai, and that was so fun to just eat a little piece of chocolate every day. Guys, this is secure, you know. They're little packets, and each of them have the date on it. So that's December 25th. Oh, we have, oh guys, it says December 14th. That's today. I gotta get cracking. So let me see. Let me show you what each each little thing has. Alright, so opening it, and it says, oh, it gives you instructions as to what to do. This is the Nestor. I don't know if you guys can see that. Cardamom pecan. It says how to bake, so it gives the instructions. 12 doors of Christmas, guys. This is so cute. Oh my god, I'm excited. The Nestor. Very excited. Alright guys, so I'll put a little picture here. You guys will see it. I'll drop the picture in the video. Because I can't guarantee I'm gonna show you the whole process. But cardamom pecan, guys, this is so cute. Definitely gonna enjoy this. Alright, so thank you for coming along with me today. Today is day 2. See my crown, guys. I love my crown. I got this at Azan's. It's really a wreath and I'm repurposing it. Don't mind me. But yeah, today's day 2 of my Christmas vlog. So look out for the rest of the days. I'm doing 12 days till Christmas. So I do end on, or I'm supposed to end on December 25. I have 12 days either way. Have a lot in store for you, so you're gonna see a lot coming up. So remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of the days. And thank you for joining me. Much love to you guys. Thank you. And remember to share. Comment below. Which one of the activities I did today that you would like. And guys, I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Supposed to be going to Devon House. Not sure how that one's gonna go as yet. Got a nice Gustazos, so you can look out for that. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.